Hello there, my name's James, and my company is Washello. It's an eco-friendly mobile car cleaning company based in London. Our job is to provide low-cost car cleaning straight to your vehicle. Now, with over 8 years of experience, thousands of cars cleaned, we've managed to pack a full car cleaning operation into the back of a scooter. Strapped with a pressure washer, polishes, waxes, and deep seat carpet clean, we can provide a solid cleaning solution for an affordable price. So let's go. Okay, in this episode, we take a ride through London on a lovely sunny day. We give an Audi a well-deserved clean. More riding across London. Helping a garbage truck that got caught fire. Avoiding speed cameras. Giving a Jaguar a well-needed polish. And giving a snow bath to an aging Mercedes.
A wonderful day. It's 7:30 in the morning here in London, and I'm traveling all the way across to Hackney to deliver someone a service of a polish. This before works. It's a Jaguar, and we're gonna totally revamp it. It needs a good old spring clean. We're gonna clean the inside, we're gonna polish the outside and make it look like a brand new car. It is one of those mornings where it's a little bit chilly, I am carrying about 35 litres of water on the back of this Honda Vision at 350. 350 is a big old engine, more power than the 125, but even so, because you're on scooters, you do feel the water. It takes a bit of practice. It's just like having a fat person on the back of your bike who's full of water. So you just gotta time your turnings and your accelerations just a little bit more. But other than that, it's not bad. So that guy was pinging, and it was because a car had moved over onto the bicycle lane. And of course, if you're familiar with Walthamstow, which is where I'm travelling through now, you must be familiar with the temporary traffic lights we get here. It seems like a regular occurrence. It's either helicopters or temporary traffic lights.
So this vehicle was tucked just behind some buildings just near Holborn. There's a lot of greasy residue left over from spring and now coming into summer, and this is properly baked on. The customer wants a full clean, a polish, some ceramic coating, and a nice interior clean as well. Now this road was a little bit dodgy because there's a lot of vans and lorries coming in to deliver stuff, so we had to work closely with the car. I started applying a TFR remover just to get the ball rolling, followed by a wash. This helps remove a lot of the sticky residue left over from the summer or the heat from the weather, and it gives a good platform to start polishing the car off once you washed it. Now wash the windows with the microfiber brush with a heavy gelled soap with a lot of synthetic wax. This allows us to relieve the friction between the dirt and the soap, allowing you to get it off the paintwork a lot easier. About having a bike is a lot of the traffic wardens don't seem to be bothered that you're parked in all sorts of bays. I think it's because you're standing close to the bike. I've never had problem with traffic wardens. There you go. So after a nice clean, the paintwork is ready to be polished. There we go. And where's the polisher? It hides in here. Could be a little bit more cleaner, but I'm busy. There we go. First of all, it's a medium cut polish pad. We work backwards and forwards. This was just for the video. I was holding the polisher with my right hand whilst filming it with the left hand, so I wasn't really applying too much pressure. This took a long time. This took about 2 hours to just go over every part. Because with black paint, you gotta be a little bit more vigorous to get a deeper cut, because the scratches can still show up when you pull into petrol stations and those lights kind of illuminate the paintwork. So I just want to take a little bit more time on it. Just remember, this is a stage 1 polish. We want to do a single, if not 1.5 passes to remove as much of the scratches as possible. We can't take the car into a detailing bay and spend a whole day on it, so we charge the customer just for a stage 1, which is usually all you need. It will get up to about 80% of the scratches, which is perfect for the price that we charge. And then the satisfying bit where we finally remove the second wash, removing the polish. Then after this we get to apply, I think I use a Maguire's ceramic wax, the blue bottle, which I think is a pretty good ceramic wax. And there's the finished thing. Take it away, James.
Finish this Audi, a polish, a wash, a ceramic wax, and it looks absolutely fantastic. Look, you can even see me in the reflection. Beautiful. Parked at the side of the road, in between 2 cars. I still managed to do a polish, and only a little bit of rain. But that is a lovely little finish. Now we're going to do the inside and head off to our next customer.
Look, just as I'm leaving, the binman's on fire. God's sake. This road has been crazy. What's he going to do about that? Look at that. I can hear what he's saying. Let's go. I've got some water if you need, and a pressure washer.
I'm just going to put that out.
Is it quite a big one? Do you want me to
Electric
give it a go?
as well, it's electric. So they're coming down now.
So this Mercedes has been like this for a really long period of time. It looks like it's survived the winter. I'm going to give this a proper deep clean. It's going to need a bit of soap. I'm going to be a little, it's going to need some snow foam because I want to get right deep inside of these crevices and hopefully remove some of the stubborn stains which have appeared across this car. Now, it's not just leaves. You've got some really sticky sap, which is connected to the bodywork. So there's nothing better than moving that than snow foam. Snow foam sits on the car and slowly dissolves the grease. And then the weight of the snow foam actually drags a lot of the impurities and the muck off the car. So it allows you not to be so aggressive when you're using a brush or a microfiber brush to connect with the paintwork. So what I did was I sprayed the car with TFR remover first, then I added a snow foam. Then to dislodge it a little bit more, I ran a microfiber brush across it. Now, because of the state of this vehicle, this may have been the only way to do it. Now, with the pressure washer on the back of the scooter, it carries about 40 litres. You do get quite a good spread of foam because a lot of handheld foamers just don't cut it, but you can actually create a portable setup using a Makita pressure washer that delivers enough force to be able to create snow. I have not yet found a better way of doing it on the back of a bike. But once I dislodged a lot of the soap, I then get to spray it all off. This is the satisfying part. Now, it's good to use all the water because it really makes it easier to drive to the next customer when you're not carrying so much water on the back. There was a lot when you use snow foam. There is a lot of a lot of soap across the car, so it does take a while. It does take quite a lot of water to remove. So when you only carry 40 litres of water, you've got to ration it as best as you can. And a nice satisfying squeege along the roof. Usually I won't do this if it's paint, but since this is glass, I think that makes it quite a nice video. It's like shaving a leg. There you go. Straight down from the windows. You can see me in the reflection there. How embarrassing. There you go. It's amazing how much dirt is actually come off this car. There you go. So now the paint is clean and ready for a polish. There you go. So this is the finished photo of this car. Fantastic work. This lady is a regular customer of mine, so I look forward to come back and see what the state of the car in for next time.
Ooh, bit of drama. Let's see where that beeping's coming from. I think someone tried to just jump in as other people were queuing. There's one thing you do in London is you don't jump the queue. If you don't like it, they will beep you. Right, we can use this lane here on the left. Privileges of being a bike, you get to miss a lot of the traffic. Now this road's quite pretty. Now all these trees have come out and bloom. You get a nice kind of wall of foliage, which kind of blocks out some of the horrible architecture along here. But it looks like it's a really big road. And with a nice blue sky, this road looks actually quite good. Oh, overhyped vehicle, turn back. I don't think so. I ain't turning back. Ain't scaring me. Now as we come down here, there's a few good pubs here on the left. There's kind of a big Brazilian, population down here. So you get lots of Brazilian food. Got some Jewish food. You get a few nice pubs here as well. Look at this stacky one here. This is called the Station House. I think I've been there before. They do live music, whiskey, gin. It's got a good kind of spirit, that one. And there's another pub similar to it just up here on the left. I can't remember the name, but we're definitely gonna have a little sneaky look as we drive past.
Well, I hope you enjoyed my videos. I'm quite new to this, creating long form content, so if you have any comments or opinions, do leave them in the comments section down below. I'll always take them on board, and hopefully as we create more of these videos, the quality will improve. But I hope you enjoy your weekend and stay tuned for more.